Always remember, pain is very important. If you think, no, bro, I don't think that pain is very important. I think pain is very unbearable to bear. I can't bear pain. It is so uncomfortable to bear a pain. Like it's hurting. Yes, my friend. That's why pain is important. You think life is very simple. Yes, it is. But for those who are really able to work fucking hard ass off, they are ready to do anything in their life to achieve that work. And if you think, no, bro, I can achieve so easily. So this is your misconception. You are building, you are nurturing it. Don't nourish, don't nourish your misconception. Put in your mind that pain is very important. Without pain, I can't achieve anything. You have to embrace pain. You have to love it. Like, it is, I can't bear it, but it's fucking good. You have to say like these things. You have to say it like you love it. Even though it hurts fucking hard, it is so difficult to make a thing. You don't want to do this and that. You don't want to go to gym. It is so uncomfortable to wake up early in the morning. It is so difficult. That's why nobody can do it. Only you can do it. So, if only you can do it, then why the hell you are not doing it? And I know you can do it. You can do it. You are just thinking that you can't. I think you don't believe in yourself. Bro, fuck this thing. You can achieve anything in your life. You just need to understand it. That you can achieve. Just think about it. Think about it. You have capabilities, you have resources, and you can achieve anything in your life. You just need to bear that pain to achieve that thing. And it is necessary ingredient, pain. Nobody loves to wake up early in the morning. Nobody wants to go to gym. Nobody likes to eat healthy food. They really love to eating junk food. But that is a pain, bro. You have to face it. And if you don't, you can't get a healthy body. You can't get in shape. You can't become a static boy or girl. Anything like that. So my point is for you, embrace pain as much as you can. Laugh at pain. Come to me. I know it is so uncomfortable. Come to me. Come to me. You're crying, but you're laughing as well. Then you think, no matter what, I will achieve it. I will achieve it. No matter what, I have to achieve it. If I don't, then who will? If I don't do this, then who will? Nobody come to save me. Then why the hell anybody came to me and save me? Nobody. Nobody came to save us. We have to save ourselves. Even me, I can't save your life. I can't do anything for you. But I only tell you those things which is really necessary for you to understand. And I can just tell you, but I can't say, bro, do this and this. It's upon you. You have to do it. Nobody can do for you. And this is the basic thing to understand, that nobody will come, nobody will come, nobody will come. I have to face that fear, that desire alone. I have to embrace pain alone. I love to being lonely. And you have to feel that pain of loneliness. You don't like that shit, but you have to, no matter what. No matter you like it or not. It doesn't matter. It will come. Loneliness. Even though it is lonely, but you have to do it. You have to do it. Nobody will come. That is as simple as that. And even though you are not understanding that pain is very important, then you are a rascal. You just need to embrace the pain. Understand the pain. I give you an example. You prepare for an exam. An exam. So you are saying, I will not feel pain. So you will study when you like it. When you think, okay, let's study. But your mind will never say study because this is very uncomfortable. Because of that, you will never win. You can't crack that job or exam. But if you embrace it, you would say, I will study 12 hours, 8 hours, 11 hours. I'm not saying 16 hours. I can't say that. So, are you getting my point? Very simple. You just need to embrace pain. It might be very uncomfortable and it must be very uncomfortable to feel a pain. Nobody can bear it, but you have to. You just need to go, keep going with pain. Pain is like your child. You have to nourish it. You have to feed it and increase it. Make the pain grow so that you will also grow. You have more capability to bear that pain inside you, or externally or internally. If you're stressed out because of small reasons today, but tomorrow you will surprised to see what the fuck? I stress from very little thing. What the heck? Because of you face that pain of stress. You overcome it and become something. Are you getting my point? So whole point is only embrace pain. It will really help you. It will make you grow. It will make you something. And pain will never, remember, some pain are good, some pain are bad. Take an example, good, bad pain. First, bad pain. What is bad pain? Someone beat you and it hurts. So that is a bad pain. But it become good pain when you be bitten on MMA or boxing. That is good because now you strengthening your body because of punches. And good is going to gym. It is very uncomfortable. It's like you are doing deadlift, chest press, squats, deadlift. It is uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. It's like you are training your legs and it is so crazy. It is very painful, but that pain is good, not short, long term. This and always try to think about long term thing. Short term pain is good. If you can't bear today's pain, then you will feel massive pain tomorrow. So you have to bear pain, small pain today, so that you can't bear tomorrow's difficult, very unbearable pain. So embrace pain. As simple as that.